You don't have to be overwhelmed. As IT managers, it's easy to feel like you're drowning in a constant sea of emails, meetings, urgent requests, and of course technical issues that need solving immediately. But what if you could handle it all without sacrificing your leadership effectiveness or your well-being? What if you could stay calm, focused, and compassionate even under pressure? That's where mindfulness comes in. More details on that in a moment. Technical skills solve problems, but people skills build careers. Compassionate Geek Online on-demand training empowers IT teams to be easy to work with and create positive customer experiences. That means fewer conflicts, happier users, and a more successful IT team. Give your team the skills they need on their schedule. Visit CompassionateGeek.com to get started today. There's a link to the course in the notes just below. All right, let's get back to mindfulness. You might be wondering, what exactly is mindfulness and why should it matter to you as an IT manager? Mindfulness is simply the practice of being fully present in the moment. It's about noticing your thoughts, your emotions, and the situation around you without judgment, and then making intentional decisions in response, instead of reacting impulsively. In an IT role where things are constantly moving and distractions are everywhere, mindfulness is one of the most powerful tools you can use to lead effectively. Then there's communication. As IT managers, we know how critical clear communication is, but when we're stressed or distracted, it's easy to miss the mark. Mindfulness helps you listen actively, making sure you truly understand what your team or customers are saying. This leads to better problem solving, stronger relationships, and less confusion down the line. Another big benefit of mindfulness is empathy and compassion. As IT leaders, we often focus so much on the technical side of things that we forget to check in with the people side. Mindfulness helps you tune into the emotional needs of your team, which is essential for building a positive, productive environment. When you approach leadership with compassion, you build trust and morale, and your team will be more likely to go the extra mile. And lastly, mindfulness helps create a positive work environment. When you lead with mindfulness, you set the tone for your team. Your team is more likely to adopt the same mindful approach, creating a work culture that is calm, focused, and collaborative. A mindful work culture leads to less burnout, better communication, and higher morale across the board. So now that you know how mindfulness can transform your leadership, let's talk about how to start incorporating it into your daily routine. Here are a few simple steps you can take. First, take short mindfulness breaks throughout the day, just a few seconds to breathe deeply and reset. Practice active listening in every conversation, ensuring that you're fully present when your team is speaking. Set daily intentions for how you want to approach your day, whether it is staying calm under pressure or focusing on clear communication. Lead by example. When your team sees you practicing mindfulness, they'll be more likely to adopt it as well. Mindfulness isn't a magic fix, it's a practice. But with consistent effort, it can help you become the kind of IT leader who not only solves technical problems, but also leads with clarity, empathy, and purpose. Be sure to press the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel. Want more? You'll find tips and training to empower your team to be easy to work with at CompassionateGeek.com.